Be honest. Have you ever joined a training session where the first 10 minutes felt awkward? People were silent, cameras off, no energy in the room. That's where icebreakers come in. When used well, icebreakers can transform a group of strangers into an active, connected audience, whether online or in person. Today, I'll share 5 powerful icebreakers I use as a trainer and facilitator that always work. Hi, I'm Nikita, and on this channel, I share practical tools and strategies for trainers, facilitators, and leaders who want to create engaging learning experiences. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss weekly tips. The first icebreaker I love is 2 truths and a lie. It's simple, fun, and helps people get to know each other. Each person shares 3 statements about themselves, 2 true, 1 false, and others guess which one's the lie. In one corporate workshop, a participant said, "I once met Shah Rukh Khan. I love cooking, and I can ride a unicycle." Everyone guessed the wrong one. Turns out he really did meet Shah Rukh Khan, but couldn't cook at all. The laughter immediately broke the tension. Another one I often use online is the emoji mood check. I just ask participants to share an emoji in chat that shows how they feel today. It's simple, quick, and gets people typing right away. If you're watching this, try it now. Drop an emoji in the comments that describes your current mood. For both online and offline sessions, I use common ground. I divide people into pairs or small groups and challenge them to find 3 things they all have in common that aren't obvious. In a leadership session, one group discovered all 3 had been to the same hill station years apart. That shared moment sparked amazing bonding. Another simple one is the one-word check-in. I ask, in one word, how do you feel about today's topic? Then, I collect the answers and put them on a whiteboard if we're offline, or into a word cloud if we're online. This sets the tone and helps me gauge the group's energy. And finally, something I use all the time, a quick poll or a raise your hand question. For example, I'll say, raise your hand if you've ever been in a boring training session. Almost every hand goes up, and everyone laughs. For online sessions, I use Zoom polls or just reactions like thumbs up. It's a fast, easy way to get people moving. In just a few minutes, these icebreakers can create energy, laughter, and connection. The trick is to keep them short, relevant, and inclusive. Remember, icebreakers aren't about wasting time. They're about building trust so learning can happen. So which icebreaker will you try in your next session? Comment below. I'd love to know. And if you want my free guide, 10 icebreakers that always work, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Learn and Lead with Nikita, and hit the bell for weekly trader and facilitator tips.